everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So I've recently got my hands on the REFY Beauty 3.0 Stage Brow Kit. Here she is here. So I thought I'd film a video today of a sort of first impressions, kind of trying this out together, because it is something a bit different and I have seen loads of ads about it, so I imagine you're just as interested as I have been about whether it works, how does it look, is it something I want? You might as well just jump straight into it. I'm going to zoom you in so then you can get a good look at my eyebrows whilst we go through it. So I'm just going to follow the instructions that are on the back of the box. So now you can tailor this to how you want, but just for the first time I am going to follow exactly what it says on the box. So the first stage is stage 1.0 Sculpt, and it's using the Brow Sculpt here. Just this nice little tube which has sort of a mascara type like one, and it's got sort of a white looking gel, but I have seen that it does dry down clear. The box says the Brow Sculpt allows you to sculpt and set your brows into place. Use the applicator to coat the brow and the brush end to set the hair. Brush end? Oh, okay, so on the end, so you have to pull out the sort of tube like this and you have this brush end. So I'm just going to do what it says. So I'm just going to brush it through my eyebrows. So it does feel quite thick and it is working really well. I've got a big chunk there we go. I'm just going to brush a decent amount in. I don't know how much I'm meant to use, and I don't necessarily brush my eyebrows too bushy, but I do like how this is looking. It is going to sort of give that soap brow effect, but this is quite a low maintenance way to do it, which is nice. Okay, so I've sort of coated them there. I'm going to pull it out and it says to use the brush end, so this bit. Interesting. So it sort of like made my eyebrow really flat against my face, but it has disturbed the foundation I have on, so do bear that in mind. You might want to be doing your eyebrows first. So I want to brush this bit up. I don't think I've worked quick enough. It sort of has set down in place. I have flattened the top off. Okay, I like how that looks. And this is the difference. I'm not sure if you can see, but there is a difference in my eyes. I'm just going to repeat what I've done on this eyebrow. Okay, that was actually quite easy. It can be a bit finicky, and I imagine when you've gotten used to it, it does go a bit quicker, but I really like how that looks. I've never been able to achieve this sort of shape. So far I'm impressed. So that was the Brow Sculpt, which retails for £16 alone, but you can buy this whole kit for £40. And they have a kit for the 3 shades, so the light, medium, dark, for the pomade and pencils as well. So the box says the next step is the pomade. Now this feels a bit weird because normally I set brows down after I've done the colour, so this goes against my nature a little bit. The box says the brow pomade allows you to add depth and shade to your brows with a unique cream-based formula. The product is double-ended and each shade is buildable. This is what it looks like, and it is double, oh god, oh it's screw. So it is double-ended, so you have a pencil on one end and it's sort of the pomade in the pot. I did get light. I'm not sure how light this is going to be. I have blonde hair, so I normally always get the light shades. So I'm just going to dip the brush into this pomade. I'm just going to wipe it on the edge a bit. Oh, it is quite creamy actually. I'm just going to brush that through. Okay, so I filled it in a tiny bit. I think this is sort of to lay down the colour, and then you get the pencil to add in the individual hair. So I'm going to try and do the pencil more on the end, but this has just added a little bit more depth. Let's see if I can build it up a tiny bit more. I think I am happy with this colour actually. If I did go for the medium, I think it would have been way too dark. This actually just looks quite natural, which I wasn't expecting for a 3-stage brow kit. Oh, I did a big blob there. I'm finding this pomade quite messy to use. Normally I would maybe have a thinner brush than this, or I have a spoolie to sort of sort out the bottom when it gets like this, because it's not very good at making sharp edges. I've just taken the spoolie from my brush and I'm just gonna do that. Just clean up the bottom a tiny bit. Okay, that looks a lot better. I think the key here is going to be to just use that pomade for the main bulk of the brow, but keep the edges and sort of fronts and ends to pencil, because I don't think you can be very exact with the brow, and I've got myself in a bit of a mess. But overall, this is how they are looking after stage 2. What do you think? Okay, so now I'm going to take the final stage, stage 3, and this is the pencil. So the brow pencil completes the brow by outlining hair strokes with the ultra fine pencil tip to give 3D definition. The pencil is highly pigmented, offering buildable shades per colour. So this is the pencil, and it has a spoolie one end, which we like to see, and it has a very fine tip, which we like to see. Okay, so I'm just going to try and add to the ends. Okay, and I think I'm done. I think this is how I would do my brows. They definitely look bolder, bigger, bushier, but I think they do look quite clean, and they feel very flat against my face. I do feel like they won't budge. What do you think? Let me know. I'll give you a bit of a close-up. As you can see, it's kind of messed up the foundation around, so maybe you would want to do these first. I don't know, you might want to clean up after if you have done your base. But yeah, this is how they are looking. Overall, I'm going to keep giving this a go, and I am going to keep trying it out. But yeah, let me zoom you out so you can see the whole look from a distance. This is how they look. So if you love a full brow, this is definitely the product for you. I would recommend to do it before your base, as I have just tried to clean up and it's not been very easy. Unless you're more careful with me when doing the clear product, I'm now gonna be more careful in the future if I do it after my base, as that is normally what I prefer. But overall, I do think this has added the sort of definition and volume that I do like, especially when I wear heavier looks. And overall, I actually think that colour has worked really well with my hair. I think it complements it well. But yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tried it yourself. But if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe so you can see my videos in the future, and I'll be in your subscription box all the time. I am uploading, as well as this one, 2 other REFY beauty videos. So a blush one with the 3 blush shades she's released that's got swatches, gonna see them on my skin and just how they wear and how they feel. I've also done a review on the summer skin collection, so if you're interested in that, also check that one out. I'll leave them in the description, and I'll also tag a playlist in the corner. Yeah, if you enjoyed watching, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.